Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech reviews. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular USB microphones, the Blue Yeti and the piolunth USB microphone. If you're in the market for a professional quality microphone, this comparison is for you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews. When it comes to design, both microphones offer a sleek and professional look. The Blue Yeti features a classic design with its tri-capsule array, allowing it to record in various patterns. On the other hand, the piolunth USB microphone stands out with its high-quality metal rod body and adjustable cantilever bracket. It offers more flexibility in terms of angle adjustment. Both microphones are visually appealing and would look great in any setup. When it comes to sound quality, both microphones deliver excellent performance. The Blue Yeti's tri-capsule array captures detailed sound and offers multiple pattern selections. It's perfect for vocals, musical instruments, podcasting, and more. On the other hand, the piolunth USB microphone features a professional sound chipset and supports high sample rates, resulting in a more real and delicate sound. Both microphones provide noise-free output and are suitable for various recording scenarios. Both microphones are easy to use and compatible with multiple operating systems. The Blue Yeti is plug-and-play, supporting both Mac and PC systems. It requires a minimum of 64 MB of RAM. Similarly, the piolunth USB microphone is also plug-and-play, compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. It connects directly to a USB port, making it ideal for studio recording, podcasting, and other applications. No need to worry about installing drivers or complex debugging. Now, let's talk about the price. The Blue Yeti USB microphone is available as a certified refurbished product, offering great value for money. It comes with a minimum 90-day warranty and ships with all relevant accessories. However, the piolunth USB microphone is competitively priced at just $119. Both microphones offer fantastic sound quality, so the choice ultimately depends on your budget. And there you have it. The Blue Yeti and the piolunth USB microphone both have their unique strengths. Whether you prioritize design, sound quality, compatibility, or price, there's a microphone that suits your needs. Don't forget to let us know in the comments section which microphone you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.